Hello, everybody. It's Romonica, and I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. Listen, we're going to be talking about Canva and video, and if you didn't know, video is like the new TV, right? So you got to be using it. I mean, I just don't even know what to tell you if you're not using video. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'm using Canva, which is like, it's the beginner-friendly design software. There's a lot of different things you can do inside of Canva. A lot of people use it for posts, but today we're going to be talking about how you can use Canva for video. So listen, it's so serious that Canva has created a whole entire icon for video. So when you click on it, listen, you can pull up video for Facebook, video to send messages, video to send through your phone, video collage, YouTube ads, social feed ads. So, you know, in your IG feed, your Facebook feed, you can do video slideshow, YouTube video, LinkedIn video ads. Are y'all getting where I'm going with this? TikTok and Pinterest. So again, let me repeat in case you missed it. Video is the new TV, so you really need to tap in. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull up just a few of these, some of these that are really popular, and just kind of walk you through it really quick. So first, let's start with TikTok, because I know a lot of people are using TikTok. And so if you're like some people, you're just like, I'm not creative, you don't know what to do, Canva has you taken care of. All right, so let's go ahead and let's pull up. So the first thing is, if you haven't been using TikTok, or you kind of new to it, or this whole notion of video, you may just want to let the people on your other social media feed know what's going on. So I'm going to pull up one of my favorite templates, which happens to be this one right here. Now, I like this because it has like a few little moving parts on it, the little animation, and I think that's engaging. Like, it just kind of grabs someone's attention and they're like, ooh, what's going on? Now, I'm a little bit brighter than the black, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color. So let's make it red. I may just leave everything else as it is for right now, but what you could do is just take something simple like this TikTok thingamajig, and what you could do is pull in an element or some type of video. So we're going to go down the left side of the page, which is where all of what I like to call the elements are located, and I'm going to pull up photos, or actually uploads, and I'm going to pull up some of my video, and I'm just going to throw one over here.
Hello, you beautiful lady. Thank you so much.
And boom, just like that, video's there. Now you may be saying, wait. I don't know what to do. Well, you get your phone and you hit the record button and you record some video like, hey, this is Susie, whatever your little message is, woo, and upload it to TikTok. You can also take this same little video or a different video and say, hey guys, I am now on TikTok. Please come and follow me. Post it to your IG, post it to your Facebook, and I would actually keep it in the little TikTok frame, just like what you're seeing on the page right here. I was like, I don't know what the heck's going on. Okay, anyway, so do you see how simple and easy it is to use? Now, let's just go back. Come on. All right, let's go back to video. And I want to pull up video message, okay? So I like video messages because sometimes I'm trying to connect with people that I want to do business with, and I have figured out a way that I could actually send them a message. So I'm going to pull up one of these right here. And again, I'm going to take some video and I'm going to just pop it in.
Hello, you beautiful lady. Thank you so much for grabbing this confident woman.
And there you have it. Isn't that easy? Seriously, this is a way for you to connect with clients, because people want to do business with people that they know, like, and trust. And when you use this, it's so helpful. So you're able to create something really simple like this in Canva. It can be kind of generic, if you will, like speaking to a specific program, a specific offer, an invitation, a PDF, whatever it is that you're actually offering. But you can then take this and you can use it in your email marketing campaign. You can post this on your social media. You can post this on your Facebook business page. Wherever you show up, just select one of the customized frames for that particular platform and you're off and running. It really is just that simple and easy, right? So we're gonna do one more and then we're going to wrap this up because again, this is a simple overview. If you'd like a deeper dive, you can actually click the video link below or click the link below. And I actually have a mini course on this so that you can go even further into how you can actually use video to connect with your audience and get more clients. All right, so let's go back to the home page. We are going to go right back to the video icon right here. And this time, I'm a big Facebook person, so I'm gonna pull up the Facebook video. It's my favorite little dance. Hey, do your dance. All right, so let me tell you one that I would do if I were you. So before you go live on Facebook and before you go live on IG, one of the things you want to do is you may want to send out a notification letting people know that you're about to go live. And a simple and easy way to do that would be to grab your phone, make a video saying, hey, I'm gonna be going live in about 5 minutes. Make sure you join me. Notice 5 minutes. I made it very standard, very generic. You're gonna upload that into Canva, and then we're gonna just drop it on one of these platforms. So let's just scroll through. Let's see if we can find something that, you know, kind of pops out that's going to get someone's attention, and then we'll literally be off to the races. So let's see here. Come on. I am going to just grab one here at the top. This one. Because when I see motion, I'm like, yes, that works for me. It's going to grab somebody's attention. Now, this little piece of tape right here, that looks generic. So I don't like that. Let me just find something else. So I was like, Lord, where did they get that? That tape is horrendous. Okay, let's see. Let's try this one. All right, I can rock with that. So we're going to go back to upload. We're just going to grab a piece of video. I'm just going to grab one here. We'll put that in. Gonna adjust it down. Let's see, I can't change those. We'll just leave it like it is. And I'll put the title here, going. Guess I should be able to spell. Going live in 5 minutes. So now we're making an announcement to our people. They can see this. We can put it in our stories and post this on social. And boom, we are ready to go. If you want to, you can put your topic, video marketing for dummies. Yeah, video marketing for coaches. How about that? I don't have my glasses on, so I hope I spelled that right. We'll just leave that like that. Okay, so boom, now all you have to do is come up here, download it, and you're simply ready to go. So let's take it all the way back and review really, really quick. Video, super important. Video, the new TV. Video allows you to build know, like, and trust with your audience. It's so important that Canva has literally created an entire section dedicated to video. Now, if you want to keep sitting there and thinking that video is a game and you shouldn't be using it, you go right ahead. But I'm telling you, video is where it is and you should be using it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different templates that really cover everything except for Clubhouse and Twitter, basically, in video. But it's been like these templates are already ready for you to go. Just jump in. If you need more information, click the link below to the course, or feel free to drop a question. I got you. Just watch it, like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye now.